98 Mercedes E320. Okay. This fucking seatbelt. Okay. I'm gonna accelerate, and this thing drove fine one day. Punched it, and check engine light started flashing, and then it would drive fine. But once you hit 4,000, it would start to misfire and then bog down. Computer would shut down a couple cylinders. Now, for some reason, it won't go past 3,000 without misfire, or even at 2,000. See? Shut it off, start it again. Roll down your window. Pull the map sensor. Okay, engine dies. Already cleaned that out, changed all the spark plugs, we switched the coils. Still getting cylinder misfires, blah blah blah. 1, 2, 3, basically all of them. So reading the forums, it says it could be crankshaft sensor, could be the MAF. Who knows, cleaned it out, still didn't work, or it could be the cats, because when you accelerate, well, if I step on the gas, you can hear, sounds like marbles in a tin can, here. I've got it at wide open throttle right now. Okay. Wide open throttle. Oh, backfiring. Backfiring. Let off. Even just at idling, this light will start flashing. Just wait about a minute, it'll start flashing. Wide open throttle. Once I accelerate, I don't know. Oh. I don't know. Oh. Nope. If you give it gas just lightly, it'll accelerate, but then bog back down. Wide open throttle. Let off. Wide open throttle? Nope. Yeah. Here's the sound under the vehicle. I don't know. sucker and drive. Whoop, whoop. How do you get the damn light on? There you go. Okay. Barely going. Haha, funny. Yep. Whoa, whoa. Downshifted. Yep, it's barely going. When you wide open throttle, it bogs down. Okay. Okay, here we go. It's in sport mode. Okay, get some. Oh. Uh-oh, there you go. Wide open throttle, bogs out. Let off on it. Funny. Whoop, whoop, whoop. See, before I was able to drive this car at least 80 miles per hour. And after letting it sit, start it up again. Now, okay. Oh, it won't go uphill. Oh. Go. It won't go up the hill. Let's try turning it off. Okay. Yep, there it goes. Barely. Whew. Okay. We'll go 15 miles per hour. Come on, we can get up to 20. Come on, can we hit 20? I don't think we can. I don't think we can. Shit, this is funny. Oh. Alright, I'm out of memory, guys. See, it'll reach 3,500, but then it'll start to... So all I'm doing is just turning the key off to show you it'll reach almost 4,000 RPM. Wide open throttle. I'm thinking plugged cats. Nope. Oh, a little bit of temperature rise there. Well, to not risk blowing the heads, I'm turning this shit off. Have the mechanics pull the exhaust and run it and see if that shit's really the cats or not. I think I've fucked it up even more, huh?